Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, I am going to show you an interesting AI chatbot where you can complete all your research paper writing using this chatbot alone. So whatever you want related to your research paper writing, you can ask this chatbot to make, and this chatbot will provide a perfect and precise answer for the topic you have asked for. So let us go on to today's video and explore that chatbot and how you can give prompts to get the better results out of that chatbot. For that, first go to LMS solution. So in this LMS solution, you will be having an option called LMS AI. So just click on the option called LMS AI. So here you will be having different kinds of LMS AI templates. All these LMS AI templates are especially designed for research paper writing. So in this video, I am going to show you a template called Chatbot. This is the chatbot especially designed for research paper writing. So just click on the option called Chatbot. It leads to a dashboard like this here. You can ask any questions you want, as like many of the chatbot have. So first I am going to give an input prompt. I am giving a research title, detecting generative model inversion attacks for protecting intellectual property of deep learning deep neural networks. For the above title, generate an outline to write a research paper. So like that you can give an input prompt. I am given a common prompt. Whatever the prompt you want to give, that means whatever you have in mind to be generated as output, so you can give it as a prompt. Automatically that prompt will convert that particular title into what you have asked for. Here comes the outline. First one will be the introduction, literature review, methodology, and then experimental setup, results and discussions, conclusion, references, appendices. This is how you can generate an outline for your research paper. So based on that, so you can formulate or you can start writing your research paper easily using this chatbot. So the next thing is that I am going to give the same thing again. So for the above title, generate an abstract. Just I am going to give chat. So automatically that particular title is analyzed. Based on that, a tentative abstract will be generated. Or else if you want to generate an accurate abstract, what you have to do is just to copy and paste the results and discussion sessions of your research paper. So and then give based on that results and discussion, you can give abstract. Like that you can give means automatically it will give you a perfect abstract. So here comes the abstract based on the prompt what we have given. Here like that it will provide an abstract. So here I am going to ask a comparison for the above title. Make a comparative analysis with other AI methods. Like that I am going to give it as a comparative analysis. Automatically this will analyze the content. So it will take several seconds. So it will compare the proposed method, that is the topic we have explained here, with the other methods. So here comes the other methods. Nature of generative model inversion attacks. So GMI detection methods, AI based methods. These are the different kinds of AI methods. And comparative effectiveness compared with robustness, adaptability, performance trade-off, and conclusion, recommendation for future work. So like that it has provided a comparative analysis with other AI methods. So here AI methods based on techniques like GAN, like that different kinds of methods has been discussed here. So you can check out with this particular chatbot. Like that, whatever you want related with your research paper, whatever the theoretical content you want with your research paper, you can add on. So you can have equations also using this particular chatbot. For example, I am going to give an input prompt like this: generate or provide modeling with necessary equations. Like that I am going to give your modeling of wind energy, that is permanent magnet synchronous generator. So let us see how this chatbot will generate answer for us. So whenever you are struggling to write equations in your research paper, you can use this kind of options to write better equations in your research paper also. So here comes the analysis: PMSG, permanent magnet synchronous generator, basic principles, mathematical model. So here equation will be given. Here equation will be given for torque and moment of inertia. Like that equation will be given. So if you want detailed equations related to that work, give your prompt appropriately, or you can either you can give some equations based on that, and then you can ask to rewrite this chatbot also. It will provide perfectly. This chatbot is especially designed for your research paper content writing. So you can ask any questions you want, and you can write generate any number of content using this particular chatbot. As far as plans and pricing is concerned, you can just click on plans and pricings. So at just 199, you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 month, and you can get one plagiarism and AI report per plan. Important thing is that you can get unlimited access to LMS AI templates for 1 month, and then best value premium pack is 999. So you can access all our LMS AI tool for 1 year, and you can get 12 plagiarism and AI report per plan. And also you can access course on demand videos and unlimited access to LMS AI templates for 1 year. So like that, make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple and easy. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.